beautiful like me. I got pinchy nipples. If you don't subscribe, I'll pinch your nipples like this. Especially if you're a girl.
Oh my god, Liam!
Want to be a crab and a Lego man. Crab, Lego man. Crab, Lego man. Crab, Lego man. Okay, we got swooped by this bird. And I'm like, I'm a crab! And it ran away like a little bitch. It's got autism. It's got autism. It's got like the world's worst autism in the world. Jimmy, the person filming, owns this channel. He was getting swooped like crazy because he tried to pet the baby. I'm gonna turn that into a song. Jimmy and my man, he got swooped, got the brown man, can't touch his baby. And then my iPod's like, oh hell no, that's my baby.
Cool.
That was dangerous. That's why you always run across roads. You always die. Run.
Are you going back that way again?
Yes.
To the bird?
We are going to see the bird will swoop off again. This is very dangerous. Try this at home. We give the world's best advice, by the way. Is there advice better than ours?
Check this bump.
If you see, oh god, there's a bump.
Because we're going through the car wash.
Yeah, if you see something dangerous.
See this, my gun? This is what happens when you see something dangerous. This boy. Go boom boom. Get down in there. Yeah, I'm trying not to. There you go.
Look, I'm gonna get out my hand. It's not here. My hand gone. Big man. I'm gonna pee on you. I'm peeing.
Okay, let's go.
We are trained professionals. If you're not trained, then what the fuck are you doing? Go get trained. Go get toilet trained. I'm professional at going to the toilet. I am a trained toilet user. I'm a trained toileter. Now, this magpie, we are going to call Daddy Magpie, is trying to protect Baby Magpie. But we, the stupid people, we're going to try and get it to swoop us again. Because we're stupid. So try this at home, people. YouTube, don't take this video down. Please don't. Because it'll be sad, not right.
They don't take the video down, they'll probably take my channel down.
Don't take the channel down. Wait, no, you can take this one down. Don't take mine down. No, they can take down yours.
They probably can't take down yours.
I'll take down yours. Hey, listen, people. Don't report this video, okay? Don't flag it.
I don't think anyone does that these days.
Don't flag this video. This video is lit, okay? We are being stupid.
I don't think the magpie's there.
If your kids see it, then good job. You have succeeded in life.
Look at that bin. It's a pretty bin.
Hey,
It's
we
graffiti.
want to spread out, and we want to do the get the fuck away magpie dance. The get the fuck away magpie dance. Not you.
Oh, it's clear.
You guys might see the get the fuck away magpie dance in action.
Go away, because we're trying to film here.
Yeah.
We're
Hey,
probably from LA right now.
When we see the get the fuck away magpie dance in action.
Look, even the tree's dancing. It's got its arms out. See, that's the head right there. And see arms right there. This is other arm right there, and that's
Magpie.
its body. Magpie. Where?
Nowhere. Alive.
Okay, that's bad boy. So last time I saw it,
There's a baby there.
magpie was like around this area right here.
Baby magpie. The mummy magpie.
Hold up. Oh, never mind. I have 2 feet. I just remembered that.
Well, you have 2 feet.
Yep.
I don't have 2 feet. I got 1. I'm thinking this. Yeah, serious.
I don't see the nest. I don't see the nest. I haven't seen a nest for days. I haven't seen a nest. There's a nest. What you want? I haven't seen a nest. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
Where there? Where?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. But you guys can't see it. That's sad.
Hey, come on. Come on.
Let me see it. Oh, my phone's drenched.
So,
Definitely uploading this video today.
Now we're roasting the shit out of this magpie. And it was the best. We think he's coming out of its face. It's funny. We might try and find a magpie and then we'll
So if you can't see it, it's right over there. This area right here. Yeah.
Then we walk into my house because I'm not allowed to be out, but I decided to get out of the house.
No, I gotta go home.
You gotta go home.
It's 5:46, and you gotta go home at 6 as well.
I will go home.
Well, he's meant to be home at streetlights, but
Yeah.
the streetlights are dead. I don't know what happened to him.
They're dead.
See,
I'll go home.
he's dead. Because they won't work.
I'm pretty sure I hit the magpie too hard. And it died.
And that's how much blood it had right there.
Yeah, this is blood.
See, that's his guts right there, as you can see. That little island right here. This is all its blood.
Yep.
All this water.
Yep.
I mean, not water, blood. I mean, sorry. Yep.
Magpie.
Totally not meant to say that. Magpie? Where? There's people over there. Oh yeah, magpie blood. I know what happened to the baby. It kind of vanished.
Yeah.
Oh yes, everyone get the L gas right here.
Yeah.
And every time you go near it, smoke. Smoke. It's a good thing for it.
Okay. Every time you go near one of these, what you want to do is you want to get a lighter. You want to open it, but you want to get a match. You want to open it and drop it in, and then run. Run! No, don't run. Hey, don't run. Just stand there. No, run. Hey, run. It will explode. If you die from the explosion,
What do you want?
if you die from the explosion, don't sue us. Hey.
Well, unless you're not stupid like us and then just don't do it. You don't want to die. Don't sue us.
Hey, but sometimes stupid's a good thing.
Being stupid is good.
For you. Give me my phone, give me.
Well, this is my phone.
No, my phone.
Oh, you want
my
your phone?
bag.
Okay, get me.
Hello.
What you want?
I want $1.
I ain't got no dollar. I only got 40 cents.
What?
I only got 40 cents.
40 cents.
Look at that. Oh, y'all want $1. That guy over there. This guy over there. Look at that guy
You
over
only
there.
have 15 cents.
No, he gone. Do the outro. Give me it. Get it. You need to do the outro. Did you just eat that?
Yep.
Eat money.
It's good for you.
Oh my god, he's actually eating it! Oh my god, Lynn, that's been all over the world! I mean, not the world, Australia, I mean. You just wasted it all. See, I told you, sorry. He had it in his freaking mouth. What gross. You just gotta walk away. You just gotta walk away on me.
What, the outro?
Yeah.
Why? Outro done.
Nope. Look, get it.
Wait, outro.
Ow.
Outro.
Okay, guys. Subscribe to me and turn on post notifications. Subscribe to Racing.
King Willie 1033.4 and reveal blight.
Okay.
2, 1 darkness.